Think your cat doesn't love you? Think again. Here are 4 weird but weirdly cute ways your cat is secretly obsessed with you. 1. Tail hugs. If your cat wraps its tail around you, congrats, you're being spooned. That's cat code for "you're mine now." 2. Headbutts. It's not an attack. It's affection. With force. They're just headbutting love into your soul. 3. Gifts. A sock? A bug? Half a lizard? Gross. But it's your cat's version of flowers. Look what I killed for you. 4. Slow blinks. That slow, dramatic blink? It's not boredom, it's a kitty love note. Blink back. Don't leave them on red. Which one does your little weirdo do the most? Tell me in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more cat chaos.